Hey everyone, welcome back to HTML for complete beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can add video in HTML website in a very simple way. So how you going to do it? First you have to open your Sublime text, and from here you can simply add the video tag. You can simply add the video tag over here, and you can simply do this like this, and after that you just need to add the video that you want to add in your website. So I'm going to cut this video into the HTML file by simply this. I'm going to close it, and from here, as you can see, the video has been added in our HTML folder. So into the video tag we can simply add the video. So by clicking on source, and into the source we can simply type into the src call this name over here called cat mp4. So we're going to type cat.mp4, and into the type section we can simply type over here video slash mp4. After we can save it, and if we save it and then if we just go for the browser, you can simply get the video over here like this. It will looks like this. So for making it a little bit organized, we can simply come over into the video tag, and from here we can simply type width, and the width will be, we can give a random 320, and then we can simply give the height to 40. You can give it, or we can give it. After that we can simply save it, and as you can see, if we now refresh it, we'll get the video like this. But in the right side we can simply see the image. So what we can do, we can simply remove this image like this and going to save it. And now if we look over here like this, we can simply see the cat video over here, but it's not looks like the video because there are some attributes you just need to add for making it play. So for that we can simply add over here autoplay, click on loop, and you can simply click on mute. That's it. And now if you save it, and now if you just refresh it, as you can see, this video is now playing in your HTML website. But you can see there is no control is showing over here. We can simply add a control attributes in front of width. We can simply type over here controls, and now we can save it, and we can now go for the website and we can simply refresh it. And as you can see, we can get the controls from here. We can simply rewind it, we can simply unmute it, we can simply maximize it, and we can simply make the playback speed or whatever you need to control this video. So this is how we can simply add the video size. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.